And I can smell the smell of GO train. Let's just hope that this train knows the way. It must protect the queen. Only it can show us the way. Let me smell a little. Mother of... What, no bell? Usually the bell sounds before it leaves, but this is strange. So this is a 10-car set. Oh no, old cab cars in like the middle of the train. But there's an MP40 PH on the train on 605. And there it goes, off to Aldershot. Nice. Write down in the comment section if you think that the next train coming through is gonna be an express. Or bite my shiny metal. The train.
Yep, next guy coming is 561.
Wait, what?
561's at, where is he? Yeah, he's just down in 632. So he's supposed to have left a minute ago. He hasn't left yet.
From where?
But Union.
Oh.
This guy's not stopping.
Oh. I had a feeling the next train was going to be an express anyway.
Here we go.
An express.
Express GO train.
I wonder if it's 360. I like calling it 360 no scope.
335.
Oh. Never mind then. And there it is. Original car. And 218. MP40 number 638.
That was interesting. I don't know if you noticed, but one of the cars had one of those symbols with a monkey defibrillator. You know what that is?
Nope.
Well, it's like when your heart stops beating, it can revive your heart.
Oh wow.
One of the cars had a symbol on it. Yes, like it was one of the new repainted. I should have said on that.
That's actually nice. So I just overheard 561 is about to come roaring through the station. 561 literally just got that signal down there. So anytime 561 is gonna come blowing through the station. So that is something I'll have to see. Also, that guy right there, that's the Railfan. One of my subscribers. I actually cannot believe it. I am actually meeting one of my subscribers. So yeah, I can't wait. 561. Get ready to be on camera. You know, if I zoom in, it actually shows what locomotive it is.
That's either an F59 or an F40. I can't tell, but it's definitely one or the other. I believe it's F59.
Yeah.
You can tell. I think it's F59. Yeah, it's F59.
Last time
you can tell because the two lights are a bit further out than the F40. Like the ditch lights.
Yeah.
F40
You really ordered some
together.
F40s from Amtrak.
No, they didn't.
Really?
They ordered no F50s or F40s from Amtrak.
Oh.
They got their F40s delivered about 3 years after Amtrak's, and Amtrak discarded their F50s about 5 years after. They got no F50s, or I keep saying F50s, F40s from Amtrak. Amtrak just discarded them or used them for baggage cars.
Yep, that's an F59. He's gonna go blowing through.
Get the horn signal. I've gotten a shave and a haircut from an F59.
Oh yeah, I saw that video. I was amazed. All right, here he comes.
F59 PH coming in.
Yeah, it's 561. Do you think he'll blow the horn?
Likely 561. I'm not 100% sure.
Here he comes. All right, a rare catch of an F59. All right, let's do it. Here he comes! Yeah! F59! It's an express! Here he comes! 561! Woo! 357! Yeah! Alright, amazing! Woo! That was great!
You gotta go now.
Oh, okay.
But because I've been here for a while. But just warning. I had there was a GO train that came in. It was a westbound, and the train it was one of the express like Oshawa to Danforth expresses. So it's supposed to stop, get off, and click and go, right? And it stopped and waited and waited and waited and waited and waited and waited, and people were still getting on and off, and then everyone was gone and waited and waited and waited, and I saw the conductor in the 5th car just poking his head out at me. So I'm like, okay, well, I'm just gonna leave because I don't want to start any drama or anything. And as soon as I went up there to get the train out, they left.
Wow.
So this is already, I'm not gonna say controversial, but it's gonna be an interesting spot tonight because I've already practically been called out for not being here, but not actually physically said to me. So be careful, okay?
Okay.
Also, just on a happier note, I'm getting a Via.
Oh, okay.
And it's switching tracks. It's gonna be on track 2.
Okay.
Westbound. And I'll tell you how I know.
How? Got Via Rail coming in. P42. Oh, he switched tracks. He's on track 3 by the looks of it. And here comes 903. Oh wow, 2 rep cars, and we got another one at the back. 40 years and 907. Nice. That was cool. Well, bye. There's another train on the way. Train coming. the GO train. The local nice. 620 without the series. Another 4,000. Oh wait, never mind. It's a original car. It's a 12-car set. Nice. Oh, signal above track 1 is green. Yeah. So, gonna have another train coming by on the first track. It looks like we got a new cab car. Well, duh. $3.43. Oh, another train. There's another train coming. This one's stopping. Local comes in as a local leaves. And this is 321. Or 3032, another 4,000 series, and another one. Is this a full train of new cars? Oh my gosh, I think it is. Is this really a full train of new cars? If it is, then oh my god. And if so, then if there's an MP54 AC, oh my gosh. Yo, this is a long train. Oh, Ronnie Muffins, 19% low battery. Well, here it goes. Here goes 321. Woo! Yeah! Nice! He blew the horn. Yeah! Nice! Oh my god, there's a lot of 4,000 series on this train set. And more. Oh wow. Wow, there's so much 4,000 series. There's more and more and more. And we have, oh, it's a regular MP3. It's the devil train. Oh god, it's the devil train. I'm out of here.